In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize DaVinci Resolve Keyboard Shortcuts. First, launch DaVinci Resolve from your desktop. Once it opens, either create a new project or open an existing one. It doesn't matter which page you're on. The customization you're about to make is application-wide, so it will carry across your workflow. Next, look to the top left of your screen for the DaVinci Resolve menu on the menu bar. Open that menu and choose Keyboard Customization. If you prefer shortcuts, you can jump straight there with Ctrl+Alt+K on Windows or CMD+Option+K on a Mac. That brings up the Keyboard Customization window, which is where you'll manage all your key bindings. At the top right of that window, you'll see a search bar. Use it to quickly find the exact command you want to change. For example, if you're editing on the timeline and want faster cuts, try typing terms like blade or razor to surface the relevant commands. This is much faster than scrolling through long lists and helps you avoid missing similarly named functions. Once you see the function you want, click it to select it. You'll notice Resolve highlights the item and shows its current assignment, if any. Now, press the key combination on your keyboard that you want to assign. Include any modifiers you prefer, like Shift, Control, Alt, or Command, to make the shortcut memorable and comfortable for your hand position. If that key combination is already in use, Resolve will pop up a notification asking how you'd like to proceed. This is normal and helpful. Conflicts happen, and this prompt is simply warning you that your new choice would override an existing assignment. You can decide to replace the old one if you never use it, or rethink the shortcut and try a different combination to avoid losing a command you rely on. A good rule of thumb is to keep frequently used tools on easy-to-reach keys and leave complex combos for less common actions. If the key you chose isn't a duplicate, or if you confirmed you want to reassign it, go ahead and click Save. You'll typically find the Save button at the bottom of the customization window. Your changes apply immediately, so the new shortcut is ready to use right away in your project. That's all there is to it. By searching, selecting the function, pressing your desired keys, handling any conflicts, and saving, you've tailored Resolve to match the way you work. Keep refining as your editing style evolves, and you'll notice your speed and precision improve with every session.